Indian Institute of Business Management IIBM Patna has organized a one-day seminar on the topic Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Boon for the Business. In this seminar, many subject experts presented their view. Among them was present Professor Dr. A.K. Nayak, Advisor IIBM Group and former President Computer Society of India, Chief Guest Sri Rajesh Kumar Singh, Deputy Director General National Informatics Center, Government of India, and keynote speaker Dr. Jyoti Prakash Singh, Head of Department, Computer Science and Engineering, National Institute of Technology, NIT Patna. Mohammad Shams Raja, former Regional Vice President, Computer Society of India. Apart from these dignitaries, Professor Sri Ganesh Pandey, Academic Director IIBM Group, Professor Rohit Kumar, Dr. Binay Kumar Singh, Director IIBM, Professor Nirupan Thakur, as well as the BCA students presented their paper. While delivering opening and presidential address, Professor Dr. A.K. Nayak said that artificial intelligence is widely used in imaging processing, remote sensing and other meteorological applications. He also told about the chronological development of data and with the complexity of data, how related technology developed like big data and the data science. So he presented the journey of the data. He said combination of artificial intelligence and individual emotional intelligence will revolutionize our life of the new generation. He also told about the different use of artificial intelligence in our daily life.
Language translation is a very big challenge for all, but which is a big challenge for our generation, that will be definitely a boom for your generation. Actually, that is a big challenge, but that will provide a lot of potential for you in the future day, and most of the people and most of the professionals will be engaged in the language translation. That's a very good news. That is a very good news. Another thing, what important things you have as told, that Google is always watching everything what you are doing. So obviously that is happening because you know that Google is become so dominant in nature. So there is no alternative than that. Everybody will have to go directly or indirectly within the net of the Google. They know it.
Chief Guest Sri Rajesh Kumar Singh, Deputy Director General National Informatics Center, Government of India, told that artificial intelligence and data science is shaping our life today and in fact are controlling our life right from the morning to evening. We are in the clutch of the technology. Artificial intelligence and the data science is the technology which will rule the business world in coming decades. He also suggested the students to do some certification in this area apart from BC and MC regular degree. Keynote address was delivered by Jyoti Prakash Singh, Head of Department Computer Science and Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Patna. He said how artificial intelligence is affecting our daily life decision. He told AI is being used along with the data science by almost every top-notch companies of the various domains like e-commerce companies, Flipkart, Amazon, TripAdvisor, Oyo, etc. These companies are gathering, analyzing and predicting the purchasing behavior of the consumers. How these consumers or the customer review affect our buying decision. Before buy the product, on an average, generally 10 reviews are watched by the people. He told that the initial 10 reviews are important and how these 10 reviews are shown by using artificial intelligence algorithm to prevent the fake review on the top.
Or it is used Amazon, अपनी दुकान, Flipkart, Tata Click, Snapdeal and so on. So many. So if you see on even right now, even someone tries to buy or thinks of buying a product, this. Am I audible? Models in the website, price in the website, and then probably will go to Aditya Bidar and then you will bargain about that. Okay, this is the model, this is available on Amazon at this particular price, and a lot of people have given a positive or negative feedback about this one. These are the positive part of this and these are the negative part of this. Am I correct? Yes. So that's why, in fact, we started with that. So online consumer reviews, our idea was looking at the consumer reviews which is there in Amazon, Flipkart and almost all leading websites. How they are helping people. So what is consumer review? I am just skipping this one. All of you know that online consumer reviews are post-experience, word of mouth. So it is expected that you have experienced that product and then you are writing a review about that. You have at least purchased that. And as I told that it helps a lot of people to make their purchase decision whether to purchase this product or not to purchase this product. So some of the reviews are collected here. We have collected some snapshots of the reviews from the Amazon website. And according to a survey by Bright Local, 86% of consumers read reviews, as I told, before making their purchase decisions. And that was what, in fact, motivated us to do some research on these reviews. Exactly how these reviews are, how good these reviews are, or how helpful these reviews are to the people. So online reviews have significant impact on product sales. Positive reviews increase the product businesses, and unfortunately, due to this motivation by business houses, a lot of business houses also involve people to write fake reviews for them. So there are a lot of fake reviews. In fact, in Amazon,
Professor Muhammad Samsraja, former Regional Vice President CSI India, told that the audience about the chronological development of simple information as a data to the data science journey. He also told that how the data science and artificial intelligence is interrelated and affecting our daily life and the quality of life. Dr. Vinay Kumar Singh presented vote of thanks for concluding the program of inaugural session. In the technical session, Professor Rohit Kumar, Professor Nirupam Thakur and students of IIBM presented their paper on artificial intelligence and data science and its uses in the business. Professor Rohit Kumar, IIBM Patna, presented his paper on artificial intelligence and the data science and its uses in the financial domain. He told how artificial intelligence and data science is being used to improve the function of banking and financial institutions. The application of artificial intelligence is quite visible in the financial domain in the various areas like risk assessment, fraud detection, management and prevention, and the credit decision. Professor Nirupam Thakur also presented his paper on this topic. He told how artificial intelligence is spreading slowly in our life, and using AI we can control the various activities of our daily life, like controlling the light, home appliances, television, fridge, washing machine, air conditions, etc. And he also laid down that the future will be quite changed by using artificial intelligence. BCA 6th semester student has also presented his view on artificial intelligence and data science and presented paper in the form of PPT and the video presentation. Video presentation element was prepared using artificial intelligence elements. Logo and sound were also created by using AI technology, and this presentation was totally made by the voice created by the machine. And at the last, academic director Professor Ganesh Pandey presented the conclusive speech and thanked all the presenter and the students.
पादों के नीचे